Ka Sorkar jala kalarai ban shim ya karai ka bakhaddu hakabai de ba kajing thmu ban pynkynriah no ikilai spa sa po art li longiing na po Them Metor yo maulong hashwa ban kut uni usnam. Haba pentip ya kanir usimbut menteri rangba ubak mi ya katanat penroy sor ubak singa bahalang dhar ulong. Pitip bahaya ki e baro bala penkre da ka Sorkar. Kumta le se ngila ban shim ya karai ka bakhaddu hakabakut jong ubnai naiwing arajar arpusaw. Kermen scam lada day ha unai wing Henry Schwaban kut jong uni usnem ngin shim ya karai ka bakhaddu kum ka Sorkar hakabaya de barkan ikamat ulaong. Uba singa bahalang ulaong ba nakaliang ka Sorkar kadang ab hadin bakaladon ka jingkarpat da ka kenhun jong ka Harijan Panchayat Committee HPC. Halor ka ra jong ka Sorkar bantho shikibor jong ka tanat defense ban aja ka halor ka jingtmu pynkynriah ikini nong shong shnong usimbut menteri ulaong. Ngam keren hakabaya de bakatanat defense. Kikwa ya kajaka jong ka defense, Henry kajaka ka jongi ka de ka balada pen kre kat kum ka blueprint. Kumta kidang don katu ka ni kijinga keren ki bidang sa, kumta ngin la ban shim ya karai ka bakhaddu. Watla kata ulaong bana kadang ka Sorkar kala banjur baka jing pynkynriah ka de ban long kat kum ka blueprint. Hoot ngilayay penbor kat kum ka blueprint ka jongi, Henry namar ba kadang don ka jinga keren bat ki benta ki bidang sa, kumta ngidang ab ya kata. Henry ngikwa ban pun kut no ya kani kapang, kata lada day ha unai wing kan long hashwa ka bakut jong uni usnem ong uba singa bahalang. Pabakali ulaong baka jingkarpat ya kajaka katanat defense kade ka jing ajing mod bala ada ka HPC. Kade ka jing ajing mod ka jongki, lada ngiyo kalong ka babiang bha, kumta balay bangin ada ka jaka jongi. Kalong kabasuk da kababenram, ngidang wat ya kilat kilinti. Lada jaring khat bat ngiyo ya kajaka katarat defense, ngin dan kamsyu ban ay da kajaka jong ka Sorkar jela. Kabakhatdu lada ngiyo ya kajubab na katarat defense, bat bakam dan jaka, ngihap ban ya syakmat da kajaka kajongi. Syu ulaong bakat kum ka blueprint, kajing pynkynriah ekite kilongiing, kan long ha kajaka kaba hadu lai akar.
Well, everything has been prepared, so I think maybe likely we may take a final call maybe by the end of November. We may take. So since there is a request few points, so we are waiting for that. So let us see. No, I'm not about defense. Okay. Once defense land, but our own land from government is already ready. It's in place as per the blueprint. So there is some discussion is still left. So we are yet to finalize on that part. So hopefully, I think if not November, at least by the end of this year, I think we will be able to finalize what decision we should take as a government. I always insist as per the blueprint. So since there is a talk still, some part is left, so we are still waiting for that. So likely we are going to want to close this chapter at least, if not November, by the end of this year, we want to close by anyway. There is a suggestion from them. So if we got this well and good, why we should give our own land? Simple as that. We are exploring. Suppose now, if we get defense land, we don't have to give any more from government land. No. So lastly, if we get a reply from the defense land, there is no, we have to go ahead with our own land. That blueprint. That's 3 acre approximately, more or less.